To advance your knowledge in motor controls and line diagrams, firstly consider continued education. Attend industry workshops and seminars that focus on motor controls, programmable logic controllers, and electrical design. Secondly, enroll in online courses or certification programs from reputable institutions such as the National Electrical Contractors Association or the National Electrical Training Institute. Thirdly, seek out experienced electricians who specialize in industrial or commercial construction and ask for guidance. Next, let's talk about hands-on experience. Volunteer or work on industrial projects to assist with electrical installations or maintenance tasks involving motor controls. Build simple motor control circuits or practice reading line diagrams for home automation or hobby projects to create personal project. Observe how experienced electricians design, install, and troubleshoot motor control systems in commercial settings by shadowing them. Then, let's discuss study resources. Acquire textbooks and manuals specifically covering motor controls, programmable logic controllers, and electrical design. Read industry publications and online content to stay updated on advancements in these areas by reading technical articles and white papers. Utilize websites like Khan Academy or edX for supplemental learning on electrical engineering and line diagrams from online tutorials. Now let's look at practice. Practice interpreting and creating line diagrams for simple and complex motor control circuits by drawing and analyzing line diagrams. Use software or physical test equipment to simulate motor control systems and troubleshoot potential issues by simulating circuits. Join groups with other electricians to discuss technical concepts and share knowledge by attending study groups. Let's go over some additional tips. Build a strong foundation in electrical theory and circuit analysis to focus on understanding the fundamentals. Familiarize yourself with the latest codes and regulations related to motor controls to stay updated with industry standards. Learn to analyze electrical systems and identify potential hazards or solutions to develop strong problem-solving skills. Finally, consider certifications such as the Certified Industrial Electrician from the American Electricians Association or the Master Electrician from the National Electrical Contractors Association. To elaborate further on motor controls, let's delve into some specific areas. We'll start with the fundamentals of motor starters. A motor starter is an electrical device used to provide a motor with voltage. It includes overload protection to prevent damage to the motor. There are two main types of motor starters. Firstly, across-the-line starters, which apply full voltage to the motor windings immediately. Secondly, reduced voltage starters, which apply a reduced voltage to the motor windings during startup to limit inrush current. Understanding the different types of motor starters and their applications is crucial for selecting the right starter for a specific motor and application. Next, let's consider motor control circuits. Motor control circuits use various components such as push buttons, relays, and timers to control the operation of motors. These circuits can be designed to provide a wide range of control functions such as starting, stopping, reversing, and speed control. When designing motor control circuits, it is important to consider safety, reliability, and ease of use. Now we will examine programmable logic controllers or PLCs. Programmable logic controllers are used in many industrial applications to automate and control complex processes. PLC use a programmable memory to store instructions and execute specific functions, such as controlling motor speed, monitoring sensors, and activating alarms. Learning how to program programmable logic controllers is a valuable skill for electricians working in industrial settings. Next, we have line diagrams. Line diagrams, also known as ladder diagrams, are a graphical representation of electrical circuits. These diagrams use symbols to represent electrical components such as motors, starters, relays, and switches. Being able to read and interpret line diagrams is essential for troubleshooting and maintaining motor control systems. To further improve your understanding of motor controls and line diagrams, consider the following resources. Textbooks and manuals provide comprehensive information on motor control theory, components, and applications. These resources can be used to study the fundamentals of motor controls and learn about different types of motor starters, control circuits, and protection devices. Technical articles and white papers offer in-depth coverage of specific motor control topics. These resources can be used to stay up to date on the latest advancements in motor control technology and learn about new products and applications. Online tutorials provide a convenient way to learn about motor controls at your own pace. These tutorials can be used to learn the basics of motor control theory, as well as more advanced topics such as programmable logic controller programming and motor control system design. Practicing drawing and analyzing line diagrams will help you develop your skills in this area. You can start by practicing with simple circuits and gradually move on to more complex circuits. Simulating circuits using software or physical test equipment can help you understand how motor control systems work and troubleshoot potential issues. By experimenting with different circuits and components, you can gain a deeper understanding of motor control principles. Joining a study group with other electricians can provide you with an opportunity to discuss technical concepts and share knowledge. Study groups can also be a valuable source of support and motivation. Focusing on understanding the fundamentals of electrical theory and circuit analysis will provide you with a solid foundation for learning about motor controls. You should have a good understanding of basic electrical concepts such as voltage, current, resistance, and power. Familiarizing yourself with the latest codes and regulations related to motor controls will help you ensure that your work is safe and compliant. You should be familiar with the National Electrical Code, or NEC, as well as any local codes and regulations that apply to your area. Developing strong problem-solving skills is essential for troubleshooting motor control systems. You should be able to analyze electrical circuits, identify potential hazards, and develop solutions to problems. Also, you need to be able to work under pressure and make decisions quickly. Lastly, let's discuss certifications. Pursuing professional certifications can demonstrate your knowledge and skills in motor controls. Certifications such as the Certified Industrial Electrician and the Master Electrician are widely recognized in the industry. Obtaining these certifications can enhance your career opportunities and increase your earning potential. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind as you continue to develop your knowledge and skills in motor controls and line diagrams. Always prioritize safety when working with electrical equipment. Follow all safety procedures and use appropriate personal protective equipment. Take continuing education courses to stay up to date on the latest technologies and best practices. Attend industry events to network with other electricians and learn about new products and applications. Seek out mentorship opportunities to learn from experienced professionals in the field. By following these tips, you can accelerate your learning and achieve your goals in the electrical trade. Specifically focusing on line diagrams, it's beneficial to understand the standard symbols used to represent different electrical components. For example, a circle with an M inside typically represents a motor, while a rectangle with diagonal lines might indicate a resistor. Knowing these symbols allows for quicker interpretation of the diagram. Practice tracing the flow of current in a line diagram. Start from the power source and follow the path of the current through the various components until it reaches the motor or other load. This helps you understand how the circuit works and identify potential problems. Pay attention to the labeling of components and wires in a line diagram. These labels provide important information about the function and specifications of each component. Understanding the labeling conventions used in line diagrams can save you time and effort when troubleshooting electrical problems. When troubleshooting a motor control system, start by checking the line diagram for any obvious errors or discrepancies. Look for broken wires, disconnected components, or incorrect wiring connections. Use a multimeter to measure voltage, current, and resistance at various points in the circuit. These measurements can help you identify faulty components or wiring problems. Consider using simulation software to model motor control circuits and test different scenarios. This can help you understand how the circuit works and identify potential problems before you begin working on the actual equipment. When working with programmable logic controllers, it's important to understand the relationship between the line diagram and the programmable logic controller program. The line diagram represents the electrical circuit, while the programmable logic controller program controls the operation of the circuit. Being able to translate between the two is essential for troubleshooting and maintaining programmable logic controller-based motor control systems. Finally, consider the practical applications of your knowledge. Real-world experience is invaluable, so seek opportunities to apply your skills in actual projects. Whether it's volunteering for an industrial project or working on a personal hobby project, the hands-on experience will solidify your understanding and make you a more competent electrician. Remember, continuous learning is key in the electrical field. Technologies and standards are constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay updated and adapt to new developments. Embrace the challenge of expanding your knowledge and skills, and you'll be well equipped to excel in your career.